The #1 daily drink to naturally lower your blood pressure. High blood pressure is often called the silent killer because it can quietly damage your blood vessels, heart, and organs over time, without any obvious symptoms. That's why it's so important to go beyond just managing the numbers and start addressing the root causes of the problem. While doctors may prescribe medications to help bring your blood pressure down, these often come with unwanted side effects and don't fix the underlying imbalances in your body. The good news: nature provides a wealth of powerful, plant-based ingredients that can help regulate blood pressure gently and effectively. In this video, I'll share with you a simple yet powerful daily recipe, a natural tea blend you can drink just once a day to support healthy blood pressure. And as we go along, we'll also explore some of the key causes behind high blood pressure and what you can do to tackle them at their source, safely, naturally, and sustainably. Ingredients for the Heart Blend Tea. 1. Dried orange peel. Start with 1/2 teaspoon of dried orange peels added to your cup. These vibrant peels are far more than just fragrant. They're rich in hesperidin, a powerful plant-based flavonoid with impressive cardiovascular benefits. Hesperidin has been shown to relax and widen blood vessels, improving circulation and allowing blood to flow more freely. This naturally helps to reduce blood pressure without the harsh effects of medication. It also works to repair and strengthen arteries and veins that may have been damaged over time by high blood pressure. Even better, hesperidin helps prevent LDL, bad cholesterol, from oxidizing and sticking to artery walls, reducing the risk of blockages, stiffness, and long-term cardiovascular issues. And as a bonus, dried orange peel adds a bright citrus aroma and a gentle, refreshing flavor to your tea, making your daily remedy not only healing, but enjoyable. 2. Hibiscus flowers. Add 1 teaspoon of dried hibiscus flowers to your cup. These stunning deep red petals are not only beautiful, they're one of nature's most powerful herbal remedies for managing high blood pressure. One major cause of hypertension is the narrowing of blood vessels caused by an enzyme known as ACE, angiotensin-converting enzyme. Hibiscus is rich in anthocyanins, vibrant plant pigments that act as natural ACE inhibitors, helping to relax and widen your arteries, and in turn, lower your blood pressure, often very quickly. In addition to that, hibiscus has a gentle diuretic effect, helping your body flush out excess fluid and sodium. This lightens the load on your circulatory system and further reduces blood pressure, all while supporting kidney function. With a naturally tart, cranberry-like flavor, hibiscus adds both color and taste to your daily tea, making your heart-healthy ritual something to look forward to. 3. Nettle leaf. Add 1 teaspoon of dried nettle leaf to your cup. This underrated herb is a nutritional powerhouse, especially when it comes to supporting healthy blood pressure. Many people struggle with high blood pressure due to excess sodium in the body and not enough potassium or magnesium. These 2 essential minerals help regulate fluid balance, support the lining of your arteries, and keep your heart beating smoothly. Nettle leaf is naturally rich in both potassium and magnesium, making it an ideal ingredient for helping to normalize blood pressure naturally, without harsh side effects. It also functions as a natural anti-inflammatory and mild pain reliever, which can help reduce systemic inflammation and further ease strain on the heart and blood vessels. With its earthy, grassy flavor, nettle leaf blends beautifully with the other ingredients in your heart-supporting tea. 4. Lemon balm. Add 1 teaspoon of dried lemon balm leaves to your cup. This gentle, citrus-scented herb from the mint family is a powerful ally in the fight against stress-induced high blood pressure. One of the lesser-known causes of elevated blood pressure is high cortisol, the body's primary stress hormone. When cortisol levels remain elevated, it causes your arteries to tighten and your blood sugar to rise, placing extra strain on your cardiovascular system. Lemon balm naturally supports a state of calm by boosting GABA, gamma-aminobutyric acid, a calming neurotransmitter that helps quiet the mind, relax the body, and lower cortisol levels. Drinking just 1 teaspoon of lemon balm daily can help ease emotional tension, improve sleep quality, and reduce the impact of chronic stress on your heart, all while adding a light, refreshing lemony mint flavor to your tea. 5. Licorice root. Add 1/4 teaspoon of dried licorice root to your cup. This sweet, slightly spicy herb brings a pleasant anise-like flavor to your tea, and offers powerful support for both the mind and body. Licorice root is known for its ability to balance cortisol levels, making it especially helpful for those who deal with anxiety, racing thoughts, overthinking, or trouble sleeping, all of which can contribute to elevated blood pressure over time. In addition to its calming properties, licorice is also a soothing tonic for the digestive system, helping to heal the lining of the stomach and reduce inflammation in the gut. Important note: licorice is potent and should be used in small amounts only. Large quantities may lead to potassium depletion, which can have the opposite effect on blood pressure. Just 1/4 teaspoon a day is enough to gain its benefits without the risks. 6. Black pepper, optional. Add a small pinch of ground black pepper to your tea blend. While subtle, this ingredient can make a big difference. Black pepper contains a compound called piperine, which significantly enhances the absorption of nutrients from the other herbs, helping your body get the most out of every cup. It also offers mild anti-inflammatory benefits, giving gentle support to your heart and circulatory system. Though optional, this tiny addition can help amplify the overall effectiveness of the tea. 7. Vitamin D3 drops. Add 10 drops of liquid vitamin D3 to your tea after it has cooled slightly. This essential nutrient plays a critical role in heart health and maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Surprisingly, many people with high blood pressure are also deficient in vitamin D, often due to limited sun exposure. Just 10 drops, equivalent to 10,000 U or 250 mcg, provides roughly the same benefit as spending 20 minutes in direct sunlight. Vitamin D helps to regulate fluid and electrolyte balance, supports vascular function, and reduces inflammation, making it one of the most important vitamins for anyone looking to lower blood pressure naturally. If you'd rather not add it to your tea, you can simply take it as a daily supplement. Just make sure it's a high-quality, bioavailable form like vitamin D3, cholecalciferol. 8. Liquid stevia, optional. Add 3 to 5 drops of liquid stevia to your tea after brewing, if you'd like a touch of sweetness. Stevia is a zero-calorie, plant-based sweetener that won't spike your blood sugar or interfere with ketosis, making it perfect for anyone watching their carb or sugar intake. It's especially helpful for balancing out the naturally tart or bitter notes of herbs like hibiscus or licorice, turning your heart-healthy tea into something smooth, enjoyable, and easy to sip daily. Additional tips to naturally lower blood pressure. In addition to nutrition and herbal support, your daily habits and routines play a huge role in maintaining a healthy blood pressure. Here are a few powerful lifestyle strategies to help you lower stress and support your cardiovascular system, all naturally. 1. Deep breathing exercises. Incorporating slow, controlled breathing into your daily routine can have a powerful impact on your blood pressure. Deep breathing stimulates the parasympathetic nervous system, which helps to reduce heart rate, relax blood vessels, lower blood pressure naturally. Try this simple technique. Breathe in gently for 5 seconds. Exhale slowly for 5 seconds. Repeat this cycle for a few minutes. This pace gives you 6 full breaths per minute, a rhythm shown to significantly reduce stress, calm your nervous system, and improve heart function, all completely free. 2. Plain walking. Take a 30-minute walk every day, ideally outdoors in fresh air. Walking not only gets your body moving, but it also increases oxygen flow, boosts circulation, helps your heart become more efficient at pumping blood. Even light walking done consistently can have a noticeable impact on lowering blood pressure and improving overall fitness. 3. Lose excess weight. If you're overweight, especially around the belly area, losing fat can significantly lower your blood pressure. Visceral fat, fat stored around the organs, is particularly inflammatory and contributes to higher pressure in your arteries. Consider combining a low-carbohydrate diet with intermittent fasting to help your body burn fat more efficiently and reduce inflammation. 4. Magnesium glycinate. Magnesium plays a crucial role in heart health and vascular function. I highly recommend taking a magnesium glycinate supplement, as it's one of the most bioavailable and gentle forms of magnesium. Suggested dose: 200 to 400 milligrams per day. Benefits include relaxing arteries and muscles, supporting the heart's energy production, resetting your sleep-wake cycles, which helps you get deeper, more restorative sleep. Getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night is vital for keeping your cortisol levels in check and allowing your nervous system to naturally regulate blood pressure. Summary: keep your cortisol levels normal and support healthy blood pressure. High blood pressure can be dangerous if left unmanaged. Over time, It can lead to arterial damage, increase your risk of heart attacks, and contribute to the formation of blood clots. That's why addressing the root causes, such as chronic stress, poor diet, mineral imbalances, and inflammation, is essential for long-term heart health. One simple yet powerful way to support your body naturally is by drinking my Heart Blend tea daily. This gentle herbal tea combines ingredients like hibiscus, nettle leaf, and lemon balm, all known for their ability to improve circulation, lower cortisol and reduce stress, provide key nutrients like potassium and magnesium. By drinking just 1 cup a day, alongside adopting other healthy lifestyle habits, you can begin to bring your blood pressure back into balance and support your overall well-being. Make sure to monitor your progress regularly using a home blood pressure monitor, and always consult your doctor, especially if you're already on medication, as this natural remedy may enhance the effects and lead to blood pressure dropping too low. Keep in mind, high blood pressure is often linked with clogged arteries as well. This video is for educational purposes only, so please speak with your doctor before using any of my natural remedies. Thank you so much for watching another one of my videos. As always, I wish you great health, abundant wealth, and lasting happiness.